In this tutorial video, you will learn how to geometrically obtain countries, provinces, districts, and neighborhoods. Found geometries can be added and sorted in a layer we create. If the vector layer is not available on the map, a new layer can be created from the Data menu, or the Create Quick Layer button can be used in the panel. When clicking the Geo Search button in the Services menu, the name of the place to be searched is selected in the panel that appears. If it is desired to be added to the layer, after selecting which layer to add, a search is made and the results are listed. Geometry is added to the layer when the Save button on the right of the results is clicked. When right-clicking on the vector data and clicking Get Information from the Displayed menu, the geometric information of the searched place is listed in the panel on the right side of the screen. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.